These fit pretty good. I am not sure. It kind of fits real good. I guess he can put it where he wants. That's kind of all right. Kind of all right. Nice. That's something. Well, would you just look at it? There's a hook. Here's a connector. I thought Jeep doors were supposed to be tough to put in. I don't know why I remember the Ford Bronco. One of the selling points of the Ford Bronco was that it was easier to take the doors on and all. That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad at all. That strap is broken. Goodness gracious. I think. Oh, chill out, bro. Something like that. Bam. Bam.